Want to know how to create a mini color picker console app in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to make a mini color picker for you and explain you how this code works. So first, we create an array of colors like red, green, blue, and more. Then, we print them on the console and ask the user to pick one using scanner. Next, we check if the input matches any color of our array. If it does, we just simply print the confirmation. If not, we say color not found. This is perfect for learning loops, arrays, and string comparisons in Java. So you can just simply run this code right here by selecting run. And here under your console, you should be seeing your program being run, and you can just simply choose a color picker. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.